Bilis! Mabilis lang!
It's so hard for me because my sister is trying some she can do better.
Ay, baka
She
hindi ka
got
makapagamit
her
ng
brow.
cellphone. Kung pag-alaman niya, mag-cellphone ka pa. Saglit lang yan, may titignan lang.
I need
Wala, ano ng message? Tignan ka na lang. Bigay mo na tayo, bigay mo at mawawala yan.
Yan, perfect. Yan ba yung she said my little sister will be here. That is sister.
Ibalik mo na lang.
Nabura na, andyan lang yan. Ikaw na nagpindot na. Wala akong pinipindot.
That is she. That is your sister.
Yeah, may group
That
kayo.
is your
Hoy,
sister.
Bata ka lang hayop ko.
That is your sister.
Ayaw na, pinakyan pa ako.
ang ina mo kasi.
That is your sister.
May pag-gamitin ng mga cellphone mo yan.
That
Wala
is
ka
your
po.
sister. That is so sister. Ba't ayaw?
Eh, maglabas ka na ng pera na eh.
Your sister. Your sister. We need to wait for our food. Can I have Robux? Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Can I? Can't. Huwag na nga. You are so beautiful. You are so beautiful. Ba't ayaw?
When Titanic, and I'm thinking back, that movie, all kinds of Academy Awards, it was one of the biggest blockbusters of all time. From a career standpoint, are you then saying,
You can do it.
Pwede na.
you mean when you read the script, you knew that it would be a game changer?
No.
That is an amazing thing to say no to.
No.
That's something I've struggled with my whole career. It's very hard for me to say no. And there were things that were offered to me that I know would be big in my career, and I feel like I would think the young actors should just say, "Oh, the fame thing," and the quote.
What? Ito. Paano yun? Kaya ko to. No. Kaya. Let's go. Yeah, mama post mo muna.
Mag-isa lang siya nanonood eh.
Grabe! Pumasok, idol ko tumigada, LeBron James, idol na. Solid yung ball game nito, maman to. Thank you, maraming salamat Mark Gregorio, Mawid, maraming salamat mga friends natin sa KB. Isang po mga pa rin ng NBA po. Naka-ano po.
Yay! Hello.
Naka-NBA League Pass ako eh.
Tayo po.
Naka-subscribe ako, naka-premium ako. So, ito lang
Buti magpakita.
3-0 later sa maaga. 3-0. 3-0, 21-12. Lagyan mo na natin to, Dominador de la Cruz. 0-2 ba? 0-2 ba? Yeah, Dominador de la Cruz. Congratulations, Tol. Salamat, yes, sir. Ipipin ko lang dito yung aking Facebook page. Salamat sa mga tropa natin sa Facebook. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you sa Facebook. Mamaya sa PBA, agahan natin talaga.
Gagawin, isa lang. Bawal kasi mag-live sa YouTube lang.
120.
Baka sa Facebook. Naka-live doon.
Yan ang score, idols. Present, yes sir. Yes sir, saglit lang. Saglit.
Tapos na ba?
Lagay ko lamang yung aking Facebook page at PM mo ko, private message mo ko, Tol.
Hoy!
Thanks, welcome, Tol.
Narinig
Ito,
ka
Tol,
pa?
mga pinagyan. Ngayon,
Pa?
ito, idol, pag umabot sa 20K,
Pa?
yung nandito sa grupo natin, mamimigay tayo ng halagang 10,000, 10,000, Tol. 10,000 Gcash. Pero
Pa?
kailangan niyo po i-click yung link dyan and how to join
Pa?
for you to be able to get a chance to win. Tol, double whammy yan. Pag sumali kayo, mag-register kayo dyan sa grupo. Kumakain tayo ng 20, mamimigay ka 10,000.
Talaga magana eh, guys eh.
10,000 a week plus cellphone.